Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are safe and doing well. So it's been a long vegetarian week for me and I'm just done with paneer and its recipes. So I thought of making a very simple yet very healthy and delicious platter for Saturday lunch. I hope you will be loving it. Among the powdered spices, we have taken cumin and coriander powder, some Himalayan pink salt to taste, some turmeric powder, and also we have taken some jaggery powder. Authentically, these dishes are a little bit sweeter, so instead of adding sugar, jaggery is a much more healthier option and also it helps in balancing the taste. Also, we will be using A2 Desi ghee at last. For making this recipe, we have taken soaked moong dal, which is loaded with protein and fiber, some whole jeera and dried red chilies, some makhnas, which is well known for weight loss, improving heart health, bone strength, etc., some freshly chopped coconuts, which again enhances weight loss and keeps you hydrated, some roughly chopped curry leaves, ginger and green chilies. Here we haven't roasted the moong dal, you can surely do it. Also we won't be using any kind of extra oil and we'll be dry roasting the jeera and the red chilies. So let's start with the recipe. So we have added jeera and dry red chilies and will roast it for some time. So after it gets roasted, we will be adding the moong dal into it. So now we are giving it a quick mix and we'll be adding the powdered ingredients first. So now we have added cumin and coriander powder, turmeric powder and Himalayan pink salt to taste, and now we will be roasting it for 2 more minutes. After roasting it for 2 more minutes, we will be adding the jaggery powder and we will also add lukewarm water in this stage. Since we have taken 1 bowl of moong dal, so we have added half less than 2 bowls of lukewarm water into it. We will wait now for 1 boil to come and then we will be closing the lid of the cooker. Now we will be closing the lid of the cooker and will boil it until 2 whistles. So after 2 whistles, you can see our dal is perfectly boiled, and now we will be adding hot water as per our consistency. At this stage, we will be adding the green chilies, ginger and the curry leaves. Also, we will add the freshly chopped coconut. And finally, the makhnas goes in. You can see the froth coming. Our dal will be done once this froth settles in. So finally, the last and the most important step, adding A2 Desi ghee into it, and we'll turn off the gas and we'll give it a standing time of 5 to 10 minutes. So my healthy and tasty moong dal recipe is all ready to devour. Serve these with some hot steamed rice and some freshly cut salad. Please try this at home and let me know if you have enjoyed this recipe. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell button so that if I post something new, it reaches to you first. Till then, bye bye, take care.